Which is the largest continent in the world? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. Australia. Who is known as the father of computers? A. Charles Babbage. B. Alan Turing. C. Bill Gates. D. Ada Lovelace. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Vancouver. C. Ottawa. D. Montreal. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Venus. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. D. Mercury. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens. B. William Shakespeare. C. Mark Twain. D. Leo Tolstoy. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Ag. B. O. C. GDD. Go. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. Thailand. D. Korea. In which year did World War II end? A. 1939. B. 1942. C. 1945. D. 1950. What is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? A. Yuri Gagarin. B. Neil Armstrong. C. Buzz Aldrin. D. Michael Collins. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. What is the national animal of Pakistan? A. Markhor. B. Lion. C. Tiger. D. Snow leopard. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon River. B. Nile River. C. Yangtze River. D. Mississippi River. Who discovered gravity? A. Galileo Galilei. B. Albert Einstein. C. Isaac Newton. D. Johannes Kepler. What is the currency of Japan? A. Dollar. B. Yen. C. Won. D. Pound. Which country invented paper? A. Greece. B. India. C. China. D. Egypt. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? A. Mars. B. Mercury. C. Pluto. D. Venus. Who is known as the Iron Lady of the UK? A. Angela Merkel. B. Margaret Thatcher. C. Theresa May. D. Queen Elizabeth II. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Diamond. D. Quartz. Which sport is known as the king of sports? A. Cricket. B. Football, soccer. C. Tennis. D. Hockey.